Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change an Acura RDX cabin filter. First, open your glove box all the way. You will see two small stopper clips, one on each side. Gently push them inward and pull them out. This allows the glove box to drop down further, giving you access to the cabin air filter housing. It's a straightforward first step, taking only about 1 minute. Now that the glove box is down, you'll see a rectangular cover for the cabin filter housing. There are usually two small clips, one on each side, that hold this cover in place. Gently unclip these tabs and remove the cover. Then, carefully slide the old filter straight out. Notice the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter for proper installation of the new one. With the old filter out, grab your new cabin air filter. It's crucial to observe the airflow arrow printed on the side of the new filter. This arrow must point downwards, towards the floor of the vehicle, to ensure proper air circulation. Slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. Then, reattach the housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely into place. Almost done, gently lift the glove box back into its original position. Reinsert the two stopper clips, pushing them firmly until they click into place on both sides. Close the glove box, and you're all set. You've successfully changed your Acura RDX cabin filter. This simple maintenance task, taking about 10 minutes, significantly improves your vehicle's interior air quality and helps your heating and air conditioning system run more efficiently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.